Hey, today we're doing advanced story mapping, and I pulled this off of interventioncentral.org. This has been kind of our go-to place lately for interventions. Abby's with me today. We're going to be reading the story, and then we are going to be hitting like the main elements of the story and working through. They have a worksheet on the website that you can work through 10 questions with students, and you can correct them as they're reading. So basically what we are going to do is Abby's going to read the story, a chapter of the story, and we're going to talk through these elements. What are the characters? And she's going to give you a description of the characters. Then we're going to go through the main problem or the plot, attempts that the character had to solve the problem, and then we're going to go through the overall theme. From there, we've got 10 questions. We've got 5 written on another board. We're going to work through 10 of the questions, and Abby's going to go through those, and we will see how she does with this. How's the book going? Are you almost done with that chapter? Well, let me know when you're done, and we will go through the questions.
Okay.
All right, so question number 1. Who is the main character in the Twilight Sparkle book?
And I'm going to look in the book for some answers.
We're going to allow a look back. Okay, Twilight Sparkle. And when we capitalize a name?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you describe Twilight Sparkle to me?
Curious. So do I write down?
Nah, we can just talk through
Okay.
it. Who's another character? She's curious. What else? What other attributes or characteristics?
Curious, loves to read, loves to find out answers to herself.
Okay.
All on her own.
Who's another character in the story?
Princess Cadence. This is Princess Cadence.
Okay. And describe Princess Cadence to me.
She is a princess. She is trustworthy. And she's just like Twilight. She likes to find out answers.
Okay. And where and when does this story take place?
It takes place during the day and sometimes at night. Like, it's really just like a story of like a week.
Okay. And where does it take place?
Daytime?
Do you need where? Do you need to look back?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Town Square.
All right. And we are going to take a small break, and we'll come back with the next 6 questions. So we're up to number 6 on this. So what is the main problem in the chapter you were reading?
Twilight Sparkle needed help. She just turned a princess. She needed help to know. She needed help on what is a leader and how can she become a leader. Because she was about to just get her own kingdom.
Good answer. How does the main character attempt to solve this major problem?
She goes to the mayor to see if she's open because the mayor is a pretty big leader. And she wants to see if she could talk about it. And this guy says, no, she's busy in meetings. So then she travels to Princess Cadence. She's a princess of a leader. And she tries to, and she tries to get some answers there.
Okay, good. And what twist or what unexpected event happens during this story, or this chapter?
Spike, she left Spike behind, and Spike jumped up out of the backpack, and he brought her a bunch of stuff he brought her some books that, how to be a true leader. That's the title of them, so that's what happened.
Okay, good. And how is the problem solved or not solved?
It's not solved yet.
Okay. And what is the theme or the lesson of the story? Most of these books have a theme or a lesson.
The theme is how to, what you should do to be a good friend and a good leader.
Alright. So during this, we went through and we did cover the characters, the description of the characters, the main problem and the plot. We went through attempts to solve the problems, and then we talked about the overall theme. There is, again, a worksheet that you could have students do. Abby and I chose to adapt this a little bit, and we did more of a discussion. And this intervention typically takes place over 4 or 5 days, and students would continue to answer the same questions as you're going through the story. So this would be Advanced Story Mapping from interventioncentral.org. It's adapted from Gardil and Jitendra from 1999. Thanks for watching.